So as we have now the categories data, a list, let's implement the user interface using which we can display it to the users on the users app inside the home screen. So after this categories, make sure to add here const and then we can say size boxed, height will be 60, child, list view, scroll direction will be axis dot horizontal, then children, and we have our list which is categories list dot map. Dot to list, and then we can say return padding from edge insert symmetric horizontally it will be, let's make it 5, and then child choice chip widget, label will be let's give it name as index, that is one by one. Using this index we will get each category name, so we can say index. Style, text style, font size will be 15. This is the label for this chip. Then next comes the selected one on which the user will click. So we can say categories list dot contains index, which means the selected option. This index simply means the selected option, the selected category name on which the user will click. We will of course test it. For example, for now, just for the testing on the on selected, what we can do, we can add on selected, that is on which the user will click that option. So when the user click any option, we have to get that exact category name, that is which the user wants to see the items about. It can be chicken, it can be rice, it can be burger, it can be pizza. We have to get exactly that category name on which the user will click or which the user will select, basically, because this is the selection, like there will be multiple categories available. Among them the user will select any. So when I say click, it simply means selected. Okay, the user will select anyone, that is the user will click on any category which the user wants to see. So what I can do is, for now I will simply, just for the testing, we will say common view model and let's display that option. So we will display that selected category, and of course you can also set the background color for this choice chip widget. For example, let's say the color for this, we can say, just for now we will say white 30, let's say. Now let's test the application. So I will open up the user phone. So now let's install the app on our phone. So here you can see this is the choice chip UI with a default tick icon. So if I click on ice cream, it says ice cream is selected. If I now click on desserts, then it says desserts is selected. Well, we do not need this check icon alongside with these categories options, so we can remove that by simply saying show check mark and set it to false. So it will remove that icon and it will look now like this. It is more beautiful now. And if you want, you can increase and decrease the text size inside the choice chip. For example, let's say 14. Okay, now currently we have only two categories. That's why we see only two categories. For example, if you keep adding, like let's upload category, let's pick image, let's say we are going to add another new category which will be burgers, uploading. You can see it is uploaded. Let's pick image, let's say pizza, let's add another one, let's say chicken, so now if we go to the app, let's install the app on our phone. So now you can see that the new categories is added successfully, and you can of course scroll horizontally. Okay, we have set the scroll direction horizontally, so it is scrollable. Now if you choose anyone, let's say pizza, it says pizza. If I click chicken, then it will say chicken. Okay, and then if I click, let's say burgers, then it says burgers. So it is working fine. Of course this was just for the testing, so if you want you can comment out or you can remove it.